Utah. We're in Smithsonian Butte. We found this really cool spot. We're facing the mountains or the hills. A lot of red dirt. We got our roof nest. It's gonna be a good night. Anyways, just hanging out with the dog. This little area is cool. We got a little roundabout. As you can see, it doesn't really go anywhere. We're just gonna make some food. We got here a little late. It's actually 9 p.m. already. Anyways, we're just gonna hang out. We have an early morning. We're still gonna drive all the way to Idaho. This is kind of the halfway point. Smithsonian Butte experience.
Lots of bugs.
Yeah, be careful out here in the warmer months. A lot of bugs today. The sun got up really early. It's currently 70 degrees, but it was too hot for us to stay in the tent. We're on our way to Toquerville Falls. We'll be there in about 1 hour. Hey, buddy. Anyways.
Some people got to see my deer.
Here we go. We're at Toquerville Falls trailhead. We're about to get started. We're gonna try to get some good angles. I think the whole trail is about 11 miles out and back to some falls, but we'll see. We got kind of a busy schedule for the rest of the day, so we'll see how far we can make it today. Anyways, this is the beginning of the trail. I think that's the beginning of the trail, so it should be a good time. There's some cars all the way over there, as you can see. We saw some Can-Ams coming in. There was a bunch of vehicles a little bit earlier. I aired down the Tremor, about 18-19 psi per tire. This shouldn't be too hard. It's kind of warm already, so should have a good time. You're still good on the road? about a mile in. Kind of challenging, not too bad though. When we aired down the tires, it got pretty comfortable. All right, let's keep going. Alright, looks like there is water. Alright, I think we found it. What do you think, babe? It's actually quite cool. The trail wasn't that difficult. Probably, I would say, maybe a 4 or 5 out of 10. We only hit the bottom of our vehicle once. Anyways, here's the falls. What do you think? Alright. How are the bugs?
Bugs everywhere.
Bring bug spray, everybody. Anyways, we're here. We're gonna head back. We got quite a drive for the rest of the day, but the Ranger made it, no issues. All right, everybody, we're walking back to the Ranger. There she is. It's Sunday, so it was kind of busy, but the good thing about this trek, this trail, is that there's quite a bit of room to let other people pass by. Nice. The beginning was a little bit difficult. There was a little bit of rock crawling. Hit the bottom of our Ranger maybe once, maybe twice. Didn't do too much damage. I'll show you in a little bit. Anyways, we're gonna head back. Thanks for watching. I'll do a couple of videos of us driving back and make it out here. It's nice. Very warm right now, but it's beautiful. So we are done. I just got finished airing the tires. Kind of just want to go over the damage that we had. Really not too much. I think we bottomed out maybe twice. This is nice. Good thing we aired down. Some of the sidewall has a little bit of damage to it. And if you look under the truck, the rock sliders did some work today too. Took a little bit of damage there. Everything else seems okay. Anyways, I would highly recommend it. We saw a couple full-size trucks turn around. It was a little tight. Our mid-size Ranger definitely did a great thing. Anyways, great trail, Toquerville Falls. See you out here.